Mapping the offshore dollar system. As portrayed in Figure 9, the offshore dollar realm is the crucial source for international credit money in the contemporary setup of the IMS. As a conceptual idea, the offshore dollar realm, understood primarily as a legal space, comprise all notions of the money view perspective introduced in the previous section. Endogenous money creation via swapping IOUs, onshore or offshore, by public or private institutions that use their balance sheet to create money as short-term IOUs, which pile up in various layers of a monetary hierarchy and trade at par to higher-ranking money. To understand how credit money creation in the offshore dollar realm has historically emerged, the paper applies a distinct functionalist understanding of the monetary system transformation. Following the money view's logic of endogenous credit money creation, the monetary system is portrayed as a self-referential network of expanding yet unstable debt claim, with its ability to create money ex nihilo by simply swapping IOUs of different maturities. The credit money system may be thought of as a large, all-embracing Ponzi scheme that continuously extends its scope, unless it is scaled back by endogenous forces in a financial crisis. Upon the initiative of private profit-driven financial institutions, new forms of credit money are brought into being and extend the monetary system by supplying new types of credit instruments that rely on a swap of IOUs, finding customers who are willing to hold this instrument and eventually establishing par clearance vis-a-vis higher-ranking forms of money. These near money, or private credit money form, are typically off the radar of monetary analysis, but are actually where the music is playing. Here is where the profit opportunities lie and the expansionary dynamics take place. But it is also here that the main risks of the system are created. These innovative financial instruments are prone to overpromising and abrupt contraction, in particular when no safety nets have been constructed. In the particular case of the IMS, private institutions spread their activities to the offshore dollar realm and, to circumvent the regulation of their time, establish distinct offshore version of the USD-denominated onshore deposit. In line with this logic of a market-based credit theory of money, public authorities could only follow suit to the expansion of private credit money and react to necessities that came up once a financial crisis occurred. In line with this functionalist theory, this section set out to map the offshore dollar realm as it has been filled historically with various forms of private and public credit money in order to develop an understanding of what the IMS looks like today. The result will be a depiction of the IMS that, compared to conventional approach, is closer to the real world and at the same time is able to carve out its system-like qualities on a more abstract level. The depiction begins with the emergence of the offshore USD-denominated bank deposit with the rise of the euro-dollar market, followed by the development of offshore USD-denominated shadow money in the form of MMF share, ABCPs, overnight repos, and FX swaps, until it was completed with the public layer of offshore USD-denominated central bank deposit set up through the network of central bank swap that emerged during and after the 2007-2009 financial crisis.